شكرا نشكركم استمعتكم مطار الإمارات. كما نرجو أن تكونوا قد استمتعتم برحلتكم. أملنا أن نكون في خدمتكم مرة ثانية وشكرا. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dubai, where the local time is 25 minutes past 12 and the temperature is 24 degrees Fahrenheit. For your comfort and safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. For those of you who would like to use your mobile phone, it is now safe to do so. Before leaving the aircraft, make sure you take all personal belongings with you, check your seat pocket and the overhead locker. For those of you with children under the age of 3, Emirates is pleased of complimentary use of baby strollers. These are available at clearly marked locations as you enter the terminal building. Please leave them at your next departure gate or in the arrivals hall. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Captain Beckel and the rest of the crew, I would like to apologize for our delayed arrival and hope it does not cause you too much inconvenience. I'd also like to thank you for choosing Emirates. I hope that you have enjoyed your flight. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and good afternoon.
Cab crew doors for arrival, please. Thank you.